and show you the progress we've made in the last 2 years. And this is the Great Northern Railway signal box, which was completed by Neil Brown and Mick, and we will have a look up there and see what's like inside. From the signal box, just up to the north there is to North Orsby, and just over there in the background is 2 of our wagons delivered from Chesterfield. And further around the site, there's the old platform over there, and there's the crossing gates, and there's the old original small platform down there, and just that's the steps where we come down. And in here is the signal box. Just over there is the 2 levers, and there's all the tails and chairs, the original bits and pieces. New coach as well, which was bought from Crew, and this one is a standard Mark II number 13444 in Network South East livery as well, as it used to be. This is our diesel shunter, the Class 08 number D3167 in BR early green livery, and this one may run today, but we never know. And this one just here is our Fowler diesel, which I've been painting, which is might run next weekend. Platform as well, where we've laid tracks where that shunter is. We've laid the main line further up there, and we've laid tracks all the way up down there where there's wagons there. And the engine shed is just being completed at the moment. And just down over there is the bay platform siding, where in that wagon bay platform is our Mesco number 8 with Tuntin, its name is, and this one is based. This was based at Lincolnshire Refinery, but now it's based here. And just down there is its load of wagons, and this one not in working order at the moment, but maybe by next summer it may be working. And further up down site here there's some more wagons, and this is one of our brake vans as well that needs renovating, and lots of other bits to do too. Shed, which is just being built at the moment. The rest of it's been done, just the doors are being built at the moment. And there's one of our brake vans as well. And smaller barrow, which is won't see any renovation for a few years time yet. This one is a standard 060 Steamer, which came from Lincoln. Hopefully we might see it running one day. And this is our other loco from the 650 from Lincoln as well. And here is Acton Hall, one of the steam engines also won't see much renovation for a long while. And this is the very tidy shed as well. And here's the other view of Loughborough as well. Just in the back, just over there is our diesel shunter, the 08 and the Fowler. And at the moment we hope to lay more tracks down towards North Orsby as well. So, and we've got 2 more coaches being delivered soon in February, so I'll be down there to catch that as well. And this is down on the platform, and we'll wander down there to the loco, and we'll show you what the loco looks like as well from the ground. Up to the loco now. Here's the underside of the Sir John Fowler loco. There's up to the cab, and there's the exhaust, and there's the rest of the loco, and there's the 08 as well. And there's the 08 as well, from a D3167, and this is from the loco just been stacked up ready for filtering. We've just come back from Grimsby Docks with a load of sleepers and rail. As you can see, we are just unloading it. And this is where we've been digging out the ground to make easier access for our load loader with our 2 coaches that should come next week. It's 14:16 and we're just unloading the 65-foot rails which came from Grimsby Docks, and we're now going to attempt to put them down the ramp there and onto the old platform.
You got that on camera? You got that on camera?
Yes, I have got it on camera. Well, those 2 cars coming. Can we have a piece of cake?
Yeah.
We're just unloading the rest of the sleepers and rail.
Okay.
2 Mark 1 coaches, the track work coaches. Add the coach their re-railing equipment, and this type of coach is a Mark 1 brake, which originally would have had windows in. As you can see just over there where the edges of the window used to be. There they are. This is the inside of the Mark 1 coach as well. It's got all compartments. This is the I'm not sure what that is actually. These are all the compartments as well. And this is the sink unit, which was one anyway. And this is going to be adapted into a pantry in it. And here's the storage room as well. We will put things in. It will be where we will eat our lunch and things like that when we get it fully made, built up, you know. The overall view you get with the from this end of the coach.
equation. There's a camera somewhere.
To a coach. Just gonna wander inside it. These are all the compartments down here. And that's as far as we can go because there's tons of junk at the end. Well, bits and pieces anyway. Which is the inside of the compartments. Put the gauge up. And this is our mess room at the moment. Leg one. Cold start.